The 2025 Nissan Patrol V6 has officially arrived, bringing a completely new generation of one of the most famous full-size SUVs in the world. With a bold redesign, upgraded technology, and a powerful twin-turbo engine, this new Patrol aims to deliver luxury, performance, and off-road capability in one impressive package. From the outside, the 2025 Patrol looks stronger and more premium than ever. The front features a massive redesigned V-Motion grille, sleek LED headlights, muscular body lines, and a commanding road presence. The wider stance and modern styling give it a more aggressive and luxurious appearance. Large alloy wheels, premium lighting details, and improved aerodynamics make this SUV look ready for both city driving and adventure. Step inside and the cabin feels completely transformed. Nissan has focused on luxury and technology with premium leather materials, soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a cleaner dashboard layout. A large infotainment display and digital instrument cluster create a modern driving experience. Spacious seating across 3 rows provides excellent comfort for families, while generous cargo space makes long trips more practical. Features like wireless smartphone connectivity, premium sound system, multi-zone climate control, and advanced driver assistance systems raise the comfort level. Under the hood, the biggest change is the new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine replacing the previous V8 setup. This engine produces around 425 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The result is stronger acceleration, improved efficiency, and impressive towing ability. Nissan has also improved suspension tuning and off-road systems to maintain the Patrol's legendary capability across sand, rough terrain, and highways. Safety and convenience features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, parking assistance, and multiple driving modes for different conditions. Pricing for the 2025 Nissan Patrol V6 is expected to start around $65,000 and can go beyond $95,000 depending on trim and options. Thanks for watching Auto Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more latest car reviews and automotive updates.